Hello, welcome to one of our tutorials, and we're gonna be working on the Diorama 1 number 4 Rocky Hills kit from Segawa modeling. So I'm gonna do a quick build of this as much as I can. So to go into details, this particular diorama kit includes everything already for you to get and create like a vignette. So there's glues, foliage, a grass, ground texture, some clays. You can choose to go with a darker tone or like a lighter tone, depends on the vignette or the base that you want to achieve, like a mud diorama or like a desert scheme. You can possibly do that. It also includes little twigs that you can like add more depth or details to your base. It has like drift boots included in the kit. Applicators means toothpicks, spatulas, other sticks, and it comes with this really good natural wood, cut wood for a base, and your gloves. So let's start. It starts off doing with the glue. Use a stick just to like apply it. I'll use clay. I'll use the darker ones, but I'd love to like really combine them together. So yeah, take a chunk of that, mix, working them through here. I'll add more volume in here, so when I attach this, it's less. I try to like cover it down, spare. I wanted to give it more height, but it's too angled. Probably use this base with a Mac. The next step is we need to like create textures on this. That's too plain. So creating textures, I'm gonna be using that. It's included on the kit, that groundwork texture. So I'm gonna use it randomly, sparingly on this to like create more groundwork texture here. Then add the like foliage, which is the grass. I'm gonna apply it with a tweezer and a glue.